Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. We're going to be doing question 18 out of the top 50 ALJ questions that are trick questions that will be potentially used in your ALJ hearing. Let's go ahead and begin. Question 18. So this does pop up, and you guys blow it all the time, and it is what it is. I don't cry in the corner afterwards. Let's go ahead and begin it. So if you're homeless, right, and the judge asks you, okay, what do you do as a homeless person? And you tell him, I watch TV. Now look, I get it, okay? Your phones are like TV. You get, all these free TV shows through YouTube. You've got Disney Plus, you've got Netflix, you've got Amazon Prime. You got all these different options now. I get it. I really do. I get it, okay? But a lot of you guys will be like, oh, I watch TV. Well, how do you get power out there to run a flat screen? That's what's going through their head. How do you get power? How do you get signal to run a flat screen TV? Right. Okay. Here's another one. I'm homeless. Oh, how do you eat? Oh, I cook. I cook. Now look, if you're the type that has a little grill out there and propane tank and you're carrying your food from the local 7-Eleven back to your camp that's 100 feet into the woods as a homeless person, that's cool, man. Just be able to explain how you got a 20-pound tank back there with back problems. Oh, my friend brings it. Okay, fine, whatever. But just be ready for that. Remember, if you're homeless, the expectation is you live in a tent under a tarp in the woods. You get food stamps, you go to the local store, you use your food stamps, you buy food, you eat it right there, you're done. That's your spiel. Okay? You don't have hobbies, you're not playing video games in the woods. All right? Even though phones do that all the time now, which is probably a more reasonable answer than it was 5 years ago. All right? Which, by the way, this is the future of a console. I don't know if you figured that out yet, but this will replace Xbox in total, 2 years from now. So, anyways, if you have any up-to-date questions, or if you want the most up-to-date information, or you have a question, give me a call or shoot me an email. Also, on the 9th at 8 p.m. of April, this Thursday that's coming up, I will, on the 9th, run questions with you at 8 p.m. You can call the 407-279-1754 phone number, use a fake name when you answer, Bond, James Bond, or, Dancer, Billy Dancer, whatever. I don't care what it is, just, I'll give you the disclaimer, and then I'll beat you up with questions, and we'll run them, okay? You'll get to be the fake name that has real impairments, and we'll run them, and I'll beat you up, and you'll get to see what it's actually like, all right? Have an absolutely wonderful day. I'll catch you a little bit later, and we'll go from there. And now we are on to question 19. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.